Renault strengthens its hybrid family lineup with the 2025 Symbioz, a compact SUV that's smart, spacious, and now more powerful than ever. With the introduction of the new E-Tech full hybrid 160 horsepower 1.8-liter powertrain, the Symbioz delivers better performance, greater efficiency, and up to 1,000 kilometers of total range, all while keeping its French design identity and family-first functionality intact. Built on the CMF-B platform and measuring 4.41 meters long, the Symbioz slots neatly between the Captur and the Austral. But don't let its compact footprint fool you. It offers up to 624 liters of boot space, a sliding rear bench, and excellent passenger room. Visually, the design is sleek and tech-forward, marked by Renault's new emblem, LED lighting signatures, and the optional Solarbay panoramic glass roof, which features electronic opacification in 4 stages. It's the kind of design that balances sophistication with approachability. Inside, the Symbioz offers a refined and digital-first driving experience. The OpenR Link infotainment system comes standard with a 10.4-inch vertical display, integrated Google Apps, and over-the-air update capability. A digital driver display, up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems, and family-friendly features like 3-zone climate control, abundant storage, and best-in-class interior flexibility reinforce its value. The real highlight of the 2025 update is under the hood. The Symbioz now features the E-Tech full hybrid 160 horsepower 1.8L powertrain, a significant upgrade from the earlier 145 horsepower version. This system blends a 109 horsepower gasoline engine with 2 electric motors, 50 horsepower e-motor plus 20 horsepower starter generator, supported by a new 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery and a unique clutchless multi-mode dogbox gearbox inspired by Formula One. The result is a system capable of running in multiple modes: EV, hybrid, engine-driven, and energy recovery, with no need to plug in. With this new setup, the Symbioz achieves a 0 to 100 km/h time of 9.1 seconds, improved from 10.6 seconds, while cutting fuel consumption to just 4.3 L/100 km WLTP. CO2 emissions drop to only 98 G/km, making this SUV not just efficient, but environmentally responsible. The system starts in electric mode and can operate on EV power alone for up to 80% of urban trips, depending on conditions, saving up to 40% on fuel compared to a standard petrol engine. Renault has sold nearly 1 million full hybrid E-Tech vehicles in Europe, and for good reason. This technology is proving both reliable and compelling. The Symbioz intelligent gearbox with 15 operating combinations ensures smooth power delivery and quiet operation. Better yet, the new high-pressure, 350 bar, direct injection and Atkinson cycle combustion improve both performance and fuel economy. With its upgraded powertrain, cutting-edge hybrid tech, and adaptable interior, the 2025 Renault Symbioz stands out as one of the smartest compact family SUVs on the market. It's a practical, efficient, and highly livable choice for eco-minded families who aren't ready for full EV life but still want all the benefits of electrified driving, without compromise.